Why are benzodiazepines used in alcohol detoxification? So benzodiazepines are a class of drugs. The most commonly known one is Valium. There's also Versed and Xanax and midazolam, another one. These drugs are used to prevent the onset of alcohol withdrawal-induced seizures and delirium. Particularly with the seizures, they can be fatal because they can go into a seizure and not stop, and eventually this can be life-threatening. So the idea is to get the person who's decided to stop drinking to not go cold turkey, but in fact start them on Valium, for example, to take it in low doses, low as possible, and then just to wean them off the Valium. This process typically takes only 2 or 3 days for most people. Some can take a little bit longer, up to a week in certain situations. But the idea is to stop the alcohol, start them on the benzodiazepine. This is a bridging medication that's used to prevent the onset of serious life-threatening complications from the alcohol cessation, and to get them off of these and then finally into a recovery program. That is the topic of a different question, but the recovery program in brief is typically a rehab, whether it's inpatient or outpatient, where they can learn new skills and to deal with life stresses, to deal with why they developed an addiction in the first place. And that takes a lot of work and a lot of effort, but that helps ensure a long-term and good recovery.